Guess the word from the emoji quiz. Only geniuses can guess this. Before starting the games, I will remind you to play for fun. Rules for the game. I will give you 15 seconds to think about what this is. Ready, let's start.
Guys.
Guess, what's that? iPhone. Did you get it right? I have 15 questions for you. We'll get 15 seconds. Question 1. Guess what's that? The answer is movie. Did you get it right?
Question 2.
Guess what's that?
T answer is coffee cake.
Did you get it right?
Question 3. Guess. What is that? The answer is Dog King. Did you get it right? Answer 4. Guess. What is that? The answer is travel the world. Did you get it right? Question 5. Guess. What is that? The answer is Lion King. Did you get it right? Question 6.
Guess, what's that?
The answer is music. Did you get it right? Question 7.
Guess, what's that?
The answer is fast food.
Did you get it right?
Question 8.
Guess what's that?
The answer is sunny day.
Did you get it right?
Question 9.
Guess what's that?
The answer is work from home.
Did you get it right?
Question 10. What is that? The answer is fast car. Did you get it right? Question 11. Guess, what is that? The answer is happy birthday. Did you get it right? Question 12. Guess, what is that? The answer is school. Did you get it right? Question 13. Guess, what is that? The answer is cool cat. Did you get it right? Question 14.
Guess, what's that?
The answer is Dazzy dog. Did you get it right? Question 15.
Guess, what's that?
The answer is energetic egg.
Did you get it right?
Well done. How many answers do you get correct? See you next video. Have a nice day.